This is a video of how to set up and use the heater. The small hose that comes supplied with the heater goes into your machine, portable, and goes into the right hand fitting on the machine. The output from the heater with the heatproof shroud, the hose from that goes to your hand tool or your wand. I'm using a hand tool. First thing, turn the pump on your machine to flush the heater, any air in it or in any of the lines. When the heater's plugged on, you need to press the power button. Okay, on the screen, I'll just explain. That number is the temperature within the heater currently now. The temperature on the left is the temperature that you set the heater at. Those three numbers there at the bottom are the time that the heater's on, so that will increase as you use it. That number there is the power setting. So to change the power setting, you press the power button, and it's currently displaying 4 for the heat. So you can up the power to a maximum of 8. So once you've set the power, if you wait a couple of seconds, the display will reset. If you want to increase the temperature of the heater, you press the up and down buttons and the temperature will go up and down. So I will just set that at 100. And I leave it. And it goes back to normal. So to use the heater, turn the pump on and press the heating start. The flame icon will appear and the heater will start to heat up. So once the heater's heated up, there you go, and that's the hot solution now in the line. When you're using the heater and your wand or hand tool, the temperature within the heater will change and drop as you use the heater. The heater will maintain the temperature as you use your wand, but the heat within itself will change. So that's still there. To turn the heater off, we can simply turn that off and remove the heat from within the heater. And to shut it down, just press the power button.